Just getting core PCE numbers month over month coming in a little bit better than expected here. It's 0.2. Just hearing in my ear, it's not up here yet, but 0.2 versus 0.3 expected there on the month over month number. Canadian GDP just coming in 0.5 versus 0.4 as well. Again, the key there, not updating here on this screen, but 0.2 versus 0.3. It's actually showing 0.3 here. So U.S. consumer spending month over month, here it is, 0.2 versus 0.3. So PCE price index on a month over month basis in line with expectations, 0.3 versus 0.3. So 5% versus 5.1 on the year over year numbers. So that is positive overall, or should be anyways. Yeah, market to the upside in a big way here, 0.4 for the S&P right now. About 0.2 for the NASDAQ after starting things off basically flat on the morning. Again, overall, the market wanting to see that progress, wanting to see things moving in the right direction. Again, the PCE price index on a month-over-month basis in line with expectations. The month-over-month number downside, that's the key, 0.2 versus 0.3%. Again, the biggest inflation data point that we are going to get this week. Remember, next Friday, a week from today, we'll get non-farm payrolls. So that's the next stop on this train of inflation. A ton to talk about this morning, including obviously DWAC. There's Rumble, both moving to the upside on this former President Trump news this morning. We'll get into that a little bit more. More China-related news coming out for Tesla. We'll touch on big tech back on watch as well. A ton of things within that group. Looking to move maybe back to the upside with this better than expected data. Let's get right into it. It's Friday, March 31st, 2023. TraderTV.live starts now. I'll pull up the Qs here, not 13%, thankfully, but there's 0.28% for the NASDAQ. You can see a nice move back to the upside along with the S&P. Actually, S&P leading right now, 0.4 versus 0.3 here for the Qs in positive territory.